For the next question, I'm starting by classifying ionic, ionic, metallic, nonpolar, polar with hydrogen bonds, and network covalent. Then I'm looking for certain clues within here in order to match them up. An easy clue for me is conducting electricity as a solid. There is only one type of structure that conducts electricity as a solid, and that's a metal. I only have one metal up there, therefore this one must be Fe. For conducting as a liquid, things that don't conduct as a solid but do conduct as a liquid must be ionic. I have two there that are ionic, and I have two on my list that are ionic, so now I need to make a choice between them. The differentiation comes here in the melting point. If I need to decide between calcium oxide and sodium bromide, which one has a higher melting point, I'm going to look first at the charges of the ions. Calcium oxide is held together with +2 -2s, which is going to give us a stronger attraction than the +1 -1s. Therefore, calcium oxide will have the higher melting point than sodium bromide. Okay, now I'm going to use the solubility in water column. I only have a couple left that I need to look at. If it is soluble in water, it has to be ionic or polar. And I've already classified my ionics, so this is definitely a polar one. From those choices, I only have one that's polar, and that's NH3. I can't differentiate between polar with hydrogen bonds and polar just from a yes or no, does it dissolve in water? Polar with hydrogen bonds dissolves better, but I'm given absolutes here rather than relative solubilities. Okay, for the last assignments, I have to assign carbon and carbon dioxide. Carbon, as we know, is a diamond. And if I'm comparing these two, it should be obvious from the melting point which one's the diamond and which one isn't. So diamond will be here and carbon dioxide will be there.